This video is going to change your life. I'm pretty positive about that. After watching this series, it's going to be a three-part series. You're watching the first video of it, which is understanding the psychology of your target audience. So, by understanding the psychology of my target audience, it helped me close more deals because I stopped pitching my service and started pitching a solution to their problems. Web design is a commoditized service, and it's kind of hard to sell it to people who don't want it. Like, you have to convince them that they need it compared to one pool of customers, which are people who actually are looking to create a website. Those are not what we're talking about here because they want it. So you don't need to convince them. You just need to basically be there and be findable. Anywho, in this video, we're going to see how many prompts? Five that will give you kind of like an overview of the profile of your target audience, but you're going to understand them on a deeper level that you never thought of. Because after I did that, I literally felt like I had something from the future. It's quite interesting. Anyway, in my example, it's for med spa owners specifically. So this prompt, you're gonna change the word niche by your target audience. In my case, it is med spa, and you're going to do one prompt after the other. For now, I use Claude, but you can use ChatGPT, I guess. It won't be that different, but yeah, let's see what I got. So if you go back here, this is the first prompt. Act act as a med spa owner. I want you to tell me what brought you to open your business aside from money. What was your motivation and your drive? Could you tell me everything you have in mind? Write as if it's your journal and you're writing for your future child, and it will be word of wisdom to help him or her achieve what you have achieved. What were your obstacles? What are your current obstacles you're facing? What are your goals? What is your mission? What irritates you the most in your industry? What do you hate the most in business in general? And what do you hate the most when someone pitches you a service offer? This is just like to get an initial idea, but we're going to go deeper after that. What do you love the most when someone pitch you a service offer? And she, whatever you want to call it, the AI starts acting as a med spa owner, and it actually creates something extremely interesting, to be honest, because it kind of understand that the majority of them starts as a nurse practitioner for X amount of years, and then they decide to launch their business. I would say majority of them is not for the sake of money, but they understand there's a lot of money to be made, and but it's not easy. Like, their business is not easy, I'm telling you. Anyway, I don't want to read everything here, but yeah, you can pause and you can actually access the document here. Okay, and if you scroll that will be the response. So the second question, what kind of sales tactic you despise the most? And this will give you a lot of interesting insights. Actually, what type of sales tactic you should not use at any cost, like avoid them at all costs with your industry. And so again, like, I'm not want to read, I don't want to read everything here, but one that I really liked was, I'm doing you a favor approach, acting like they're giving me some incredible exclusive deal when it's their standard pricing. A lot of people do that, and it's just like, it's basically as if I'm stupid when you do that. The which one? The guilt trip. Your clients deserves the best, don't they? As if not buying their overpriced product means I don't care about my clients. This is so funny, but it's so true. The bait and switch as well is good. They quote on one price, then suddenly there are all these essential add-ons that double the cost, which is basically bait and switch, and no one likes that. So anyway, it gives you a lot of great insights on those marketing tactics that won't really resonate with your target audience. And it gives you a quick quote: the salespeople I do respect, they're the ones who come prepared with actual data, listen to my concerns, respect my no, follow up appropriately, not daily, are transparent about pricing, offer trials or demo without pressure, know their product inside and out, are honest about limitation. Most importantly, they understand that I'm running a medical practice, not just a business. Patients safely and results come first, always. Very, very interesting. The next, how do you like to be sold to? So this is an interesting one because it's going to give you hypothetical situations of how she or he was sold to. And this is a great one to see how you can frame your own service offer from the beginning. You have initial contact, follow up, meeting, but I don't know if that's actually going to do the exact same thing if you switch the industry. But you can take that as an example because those are amazing insights. There are crazy insights, I'm telling you. Fourth one, what is a deal breaker for you? So that's important to understand again how you should not act. There are people who they are crazy, honestly. Like they they think that they are on top of the world. I mean, it's quite crazy to me. Anyway, long story short, it tells you everything that is a deal breaker for them. Your your computers just bought 3 units. Bear in mind that this is not only about people selling websites. Again, like there are a lot of other people trying to sell something to your target audience. In my case, MedSpas, there are people who try to sell the machines, laser machines, other machines, whatever, injections, serums, and so on. Marketing agencies that are pitching ads, and you have also social media management, and then you have SEO, and then you have website. My goodness, it doesn't stop. It just doesn't stop. Crazy. And so all of this will help you create great marketing materials for your offer that do not include anything of this bullshit here. Okay. And then the last one, what do you value more than money? Let's say you have two options. One is way expensive than the other. What will make you choose the expensive offer? Then you have your answer: client safety and results, team satisfaction and growth, long term reliability, client experience, company integrity and support. And then gives you an example: cheaper option 95K, expensive option 140K. Give you comparison and the why. What made me choose the expensive one? Math beyond money, client trust, team moral, future proofing, peace of mind. My decision framework. This is crazy. I mean, this is really crazy. Like Genesis in no FOMO. They really hate FOMO from what I'm seeing here, and they hate gimmicks, uh, empty promises. Hate that. Marketing fluff. Bullshit. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. Sometimes the most expensive option is actually the most cost effective in the long run. It's not about how much you spend, it's about what that spending brings to your business, your team, and your clients. This is actually an amazing angle to create a piece of content. So in this video, I did not want to really stall that and read every single one. So you have access to the document. I invite you to click on the first link on the description to read all of that on your own and try that also on your own with your industry and share with me the responses if you want. But again, I'm telling you, it was life changing to me. And so hopefully it will be for you. And yeah, during this week, I think Friday, I'm gonna post this second video here. Not sure. I don't want to make empty promises. So yeah, it's on my agenda for Friday. Crafting an offer that solve one or many of their problems. Even if we're selling website design, you're gonna understand like about the positioning that changes practically everything. It's not about web design anymore. It's about solving the problem using the data we collected here. This is why it's interesting. You going to learn how to come up with a positioning that fixes a problem. Again, we're here to fix problems, not to sell something that doesn't actually fix a problem. So see you on the next video.